what's up guys? This is Yohei Kamiya. How are you today? Today I'm going to make a hamburger steak, Japanese style hamburger, which means hamburger steak we call. So it's very popular in Japan for the Western food in Japan. It's very maybe #1 popular. So when you go to the family restaurant, we call it hamburger, which means hamburger steak. So we order hamburger steak with rice or with bread. So yeah, so just take a look today. Bye bye. Okay, this is the ingredient. First, we need the beef. I got this beef from Target. 3 pound. It's like a $7 or $8. Not an expensive one. And you need a panko, which is a bread flake, and 2 eggs. And if we have milk, that's good for hamburger steak because you can take them out beef smell. And 2 onions I sauteed already. Okay, first chopped onion. This video, the last time I made a Kobe beef hamburger. So it's same thing, just chopped onion. So if we have time, check out the Kobe beef hamburger too. After the cut the onion, squeeze, take them out the water inside. Use paper towel or towel and squeeze again. Chop the onion. So it takes time to cook, maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Just be careful, don't get the burn. And when the color change the onion like a brown color and a little bit shining, that's the best way to cook. Yeah, this is enough brown color, and you see the little bit shining the onion, so it's done. This is the sweet onion. Alright, so after sauteed onion, you have to cool down the onion because if you hot and put together, its effect to the egg and the meat is not taste well. So you must cool down onion, then put together. Okay, right now this video here already massaged ground beef and sauteed onion, which is cooled down. Then 2 eggs and panko. Now we're gonna mix together as well. Okay, let's make hamburger patties. First, put the salad oil in your grill. This time I put 4-ounce meat and making like a ball, like a baseball ball. And push and making ball and take them out inside air. Okay, just keep watching what I'm doing. Yeah, looks perfect. The point is the push in the middle hamburger patty, because when you cook a hamburger patty, it's gonna be getting big. That's why.
So 1 pound you get 4, huh?
Yeah. Japanese food number 10, beef hamburger steak. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. So now I'm going to eat today's Japanese hamburger steak. Can you see this? Okay. It's so great. Not too soft, not too hard. I can feel the beef taste, and onion is very sweet. Absolutely good. Wow. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Today beef hamburger steak. The point is massage beef. That's the very important. And making the sauteed onion. That's makes a sweet hamburger steak. So I'm gonna put the specific recipe on my YouTube page. So that's you should, if you're interested, you should check it out. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.